Now we are finished with the superficial group of posterior compartment of the leg. Now we will see the muscles of the deeper group. So the deeper muscles are like the muscles of the anterior compartment of the leg. So anterior compartment of the leg muscles are the extensor muscle. Similarly, the deeper group of the posterior compartment of muscles are the flexor muscles. So what are the muscles? Now first muscles will, if you want to see this muscle, you have to remove the superficial muscles, the two head of the gastrocnemius and the soleus. Now here is very important muscle. Just zoom it. This muscle, this triangular muscle, is we used to call it as a popliteus muscle. That we have already discussed. This is above the soleus line in the and getting attached to the posterior surface of the shaft of the tibia. This is the popliteus muscle, and the popliteus, as I told you in the beginning, that this is a very important muscle. You have to know the action of the popliteus muscle. So where is the popliteus muscle? It is the deep group of the posterior compartment of the leg. One of the very important function of the popliteus is unlocking of the knee joint. Now, as I told you, the deeper posterior compartment of the leg is like anterior compartment. So these are the flexor muscles. Okay. So now, what are the muscles here? The most anterior was the tibialis anterior, and extensor hallucis longus, extensor digitorum longus. Now there is a point here. This is tibia. This is the tibial posterior surface of the tibia, and then this is the posterior surface of the fibula. Extensor hallucis longus is on the medial side in the anterior compartment. Flexor hallucis longus is here on the lateral side. The flexor hallucis longus is taking origin from the posterior surface of the fibula, and the flexor digitorum longus is taking origin from the posterior surface of the tibia. So this is the opposite side. And actually the flexor hallucis should take origin from the posterior surface of the tibia, and flexor digitorum should take origin from the posterior surface of the fibula, but the opposite is here. Flexor hallucis is taking origin from the posterior surface of the fibula, and flexor digitorum is taking origin from the posterior surface of the tibia. Now the flexor hallucis will go to the big toe, and flexor digitorum will go to the lateral 4 digit. So they cross somewhere here, and then they finally go to the digit. So here again, this is the medial, so this is flexor digitorum, and this is the lateral, so this is the flexor hallucis. Where you are going to find the tibialis posterior? Tibialis posterior, you need to just uplift these two muscles, and you will find there is one muscle in between these two, and this one is the tibialis posterior. So it's taking origin from the posterior surface of tibia, fibula, and also from the interosseous membrane, which is connecting the tibia and the fibula. So in between these two muscles, the flexor hallucis and flexor digitorum, you will find the tibialis posterior. So this is the third muscle here, and finally they all passing under the medial malleolus, and then they're going to the different part of this. So